Look at that big tree. Hey, play button, what's up? Oh, nothing. I was just thinking that this tree should be our tree house to be. Did someone say tree house? Did someone say tree house? That's what I said. I can build it for you. 2 hours later. I can't even read this. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my gosh. It's upside down. 2 days later. Ta-da! Wow, that's amazing, Red Leaf. Let's go inside. Okay, so we need somewhere to sleep. So play button, you'll be sleeping on the roof. Fine. And Red Leaf, you get to sleep on the top bunk. Whew. That night,